Guys ask me all the time, what is so good about the THEO? Well, the THEO is awesome because you can hop on here to, say you got a new guy or whatever. He can go over here to carbon steel. He's doing 3 to 4 mils. He's doing an inner fillet. He can go weld, right? You got a seasoned guy over here. You can go ahead and swap all your settings. So I want a 2.5 mil wobble width. I want to knock my power down to say 70%. And I want to run it at 30 hertz for my wobble frequency. I'll go over in here to details and I can turn up or down my ramp up and ramp down period. I like these on 200 because it saves lenses. I'm not sure why they're at 100. Then I can go to the wire feed speed, your withdrawal speed. I love my refeed length at 12 or 11, depending on how it's working, right? You have other settings, shooting, which is like tacking, and then more pulse welding. You can set your laser now to do a pulse with the laser, or you can continuous weld with the laser and go ahead and pulse with your wire feed. So you can get a lot of different things out of these machines. Now, like if you've got one that you like, I like these settings right here. I can go to process parameters, I can customize it, and I've got my settings set up right here. I got a Tyson, Greg, Dallas, Tegan, galvanized, Greg, finish weld. You have up to 32 different items that you can set for yourself. So you could do like a, an 065 to 083. You could do an 1/8 inch setting. You can do a Jason, Tyson, Greg, Peyton, Ron setting. You can do all of those stuff with a THEO. They're super customizable and they're super handy to use. But let me show you one more trick that THEO has up their sleeve. See that little button right there on the bottom? You can turn your wire on and off on the fly without having to come to your machine. That is so handy because let's say you want to tack with no filler, which we always do. We try and tack without filler, and then we go ahead and we cover pass it with filler. It makes our welds look super nice and it makes your day so much faster.